English Fast, helping advanced learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR C2. Ambiguous, be at stake, filter. Ambiguous. Ambiguous is an adjective. C2 learners usually know ambiguous. Ambiguous describes something that is unclear, as it has more than one meaning. Here are some examples. What he said seems to be ambiguous. The advice is not clear. In fact, it is quite ambiguous. The report is full of ambiguous statements. Be at stake. C2 learners usually know be at stake. If something is at stake, it is in a position where it might be damaged or lost. Here are some examples. The future of his business is at stake. There is a need to act quickly as lives are at stake. The research contained errors. His professional reputation was at stake. Filter. Filter is a verb and a noun. C2 learners usually know filter. To filter is to pass gas, liquid, light or sound through something to remove unwanted material. Here are some examples. The eye filters out ultraviolet radiation. The moonlight filtered through the bedroom curtains. The paper acts as a filter so that only the coffee passes through it, not the coffee grains. Now write some of your own sentences with ambiguous, be at stake and filter. Download the free C2 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.